Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are the video game. Y'all heard her. She is my little crap baby. This is not Goo Goo. This is Pumpkin, the one that I promised that y'all would be able to see in the last video, where y'all got to meet Fluffy Face and Reese's. And this is their sibling. She is such a little crybaby. But isn't she cute? Quit meowing. Can't you tell why she's my little crybaby? Okay, let me just fix the camera. What are you doing? Calm down. She's very scared for no apparent reason. Why are you meowing? Oh, calm yourself. Quit trying to run away. What are you doing? Look how I'm holding her. She hates kisses. That didn't stop me. Why are you so hateful? I'll hit you in the nose 5 million times. Thank you. Come here, let me go get your sweater. Why are you meowing? There's no reason to be meowing. Kitty. This is a hoodie. A little hoodie. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the kitty. Here. Just put the head through. You're fine, calm down. If you calm down, you won't choke. Calm down, kitty. Kitties. Come here, give me that hand. Gotta put it through here. Now let's get you through and pull it. Here we go. We got it on her. Isn't that cute? How's it feel? Oh. Kitty, what you doing? What are you doing? How's it feel? Well, this is Pumpkin, if I didn't tell you already. It's hard to see what her eyes look like on camera. But one of her eyes are right here. Right here. Because her nose. What kind of noise is that? But she has orange eyes. That's why I call her Pumpkin. What are you doing? What kind of motion is this? It's the stand dead motion. You're not dead. You feel just like the thing is, she gets angry. Ignore those. But guys, that's all for today. If you did, smash that like button and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. I also may not be posting a lot.